So this video is a continuation of my previous video. I took you guys with me on a ride along for a couple of estimates, and this video right here is a part 2. As I mentioned in that video, I wasn't able to get all of the estimates in that day, so I figure I just roll it over to the next day, which is Sunday. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll leave it in the description of this video, and we're just gonna ride along for some estimates. Thank you guys. I finally reached 500 subs, man. 500 subscribers. The channel is really growing, man. It's freaking awesome. It's really cool. I appreciate all of you guys for taking the time out and watching my videos, liking, leaving me comments. I'm reading everything, guys. Keep watching, and I have some good content coming out. Let's get to it. I want you guys to really pay attention to the conversation between the clients and myself. If any of you guys out there are struggling when it comes to talking to people, just be yourself, man. That's the only advice I can really give. Just be your true self. That's what I try to do 100% of the time, you know. And I feel like they will accept you for that, you know. Just go out there with confidence, man, and just be yourself, man. And I promise you, it'll fall through for you. Just ask questions if you don't know something. Let them know. Just be completely honest. I don't want to go out there and try to sugarcoat nothing or nothing like that for my clients. I try to keep it 100% the truth, guys. Be different. I say it in all my videos, guys. Be different. Some of the world's top millionaires and billionaires are different. They might be a little weird, but they have a lot of money. So just keep that in mind.
Oh yeah, oh
but,
yeah.
When I had you to cut it, my allergies were so bad I couldn't get out here. But yeah, I'm getting older, so the yard seems to be big to me, even though it's not. But what I want to do is take black bark, and I just don't understand why. I know, I didn't put in a lining around it. But anyhow, I want to bark all the way here, down to my property line, which is this. I cut over because they don't cut that.
Yeah, I noticed that too. Now, when I cut it that one time, I kind of pushed it back a little bit too.
But I want to come all the way down, and we can go just a little bit, and I want to take it all the way down to the end.
Okay.
If I don't, that would be it.
Okay.
I want to take it all the way down here to this line.
So right here.
Coming all the way up to here. So I'm coming from this bar here, on that side, this side. I want all this black mulch.
Okay. All right.
And I want a trench where I won't have to line it.
A trench, what you mean?
Where when you do a line, you know how you edge up?
Oh, okay. Oh,
Okay,
yes,
so
I got
when
you.
you do that little trench,
Uh-huh.
you don't have to line, I don't have to put this around it. See
I
what
got
mean?
you.
And I'm gonna want them bricks to be moved hauled off.
Then we'll get rid of these too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you wanted to kind of flow like this?
Yeah, I gotta re-edge that.
Okay.
But that needs to be re-edged.
Okay.
And I want this remulch.
All right.
Can't put a lining up under it because it is a heel.
Uh-huh.
So when it rains, it slides down. So I need for that to be remulched.
Did you have it all the way to here or just kind of where it fades off right
I have it
now?
all the way to here, but like I said, the rain washed it away and everything.
Okay.
But you know what? The reason why I don't like bricks is because snakes be up on it.
Yeah, you don't know what's underneath them things.
So, but yeah, I need this redone. Can you do the cement pavement?
To this right here, this
I want
crack.
this taken out.
Oh yeah,
And redone.
Oh yeah, not a problem, Ms. J, because well, Walmart has some, like they have a good selection of these sort of style stones, and we could.
Well, I know Lowe's do too.
Well, Lowe's too.
But I want it dug so that we can do that quick mix. Put it down there and then put the stones.
So we'll stay.
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
I got you.
So this gonna have to be removed. This remulch.
Okay.
This restone. And what I would do is probably have you meet me at Lowe's. We buy the merchandise, then we bring it.
Okay.
But I know with this black mulch, you're gonna have to do
Yeah, usually.
company.
Usually I go to Pokes on Stratford.
Okay.
That's who I use for that.
Yeah, because we have one right up here on Plymouth.
Okay, is that where you got this one from?
Those were bags. Those were 5 for 10.
Okay, I was gonna say because the color do look like a tad bit different.
Yeah.
And you can definitely tell, like if you go to that place and then get the bags, the colors will not. Okay.
So the color is better.
Well.
I'm talking about the better when you pick it up.
Oh yeah, because we'll save money if we get it that way in
Well,
bulk.
yeah, that's fine. Because I just did that because it was just.
Okay.
No. So I'm gonna have to get the lining. I'm gonna have to get I'll give you the money to get the mulch. I still want red mulch up
Under here, okay.
You know what? Since it's all black, we'll do it all.
Black under it too. Okay.
This right here is gonna have to be redone. Like we're gonna do up here.
Right.
But the thing is, we're gonna have to bring this back up to the line here
I see.
and then run it out.
Okay.
But I did this. Go.
Okay. And you want it all to flow. I got you. So
And
we'll
it,
just,
you know, it could still stay at a downflow, but I think it's gonna have to be where it's cemented or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I got you. And you want them to be together, just like the ones by the steps,
Yeah, I
right?
think we're gonna cement it and then lay the bricks in it.
Okay.
But I'm gonna get the same bricks for there as I get here.
Okay.
I like this right here.
That is nice.
I like this. I would rather use this right here. So I would probably need 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We'll probably get 14 to 16 bricks like that.
Okay. And those they look a tad bit bigger than these.
Yeah, they are bigger.
Cool.
But that's what I want done.
All right.
And I need you to let me know how much you charge to help me get this done.
Okay. I know for sure, Miss J, I'll bring, I know this a buddy of mine, his name is Dave. He'll help me with this project right here. But the mulching, I can take care of that. He actually just did a real nice stone job last week. Like they built the whole fireplace for this lady outside. Yeah, it was real nice. So this right here would be too easy for him.
Okay. Well, if he can help you with it, I'm good for it because I'm very glad to step away.
Okay.
Now, I need this weeds to stop growing up under here. The only way we can do that is put the weed liner up on it.
We can do that.
So we're gonna have to lift it up. Now it's attached to here. So we gotta be careful how we lift it up.
Okay.
Because we can.
Okay, it honestly won't be too bad. Most of it is pretty much weed eating.
Yeah, I figured it was. I don't own one, and like I could borrow one, but honestly, I'd just rather somebody else's.
Okay. And
I got one spot in the back that has some stuff that needs to be trimmed out.
okay, so for it, we need to leave this right in the
Leave
middle.
that, and then I'll be moving around it.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Keeping it down flat, I will mulch on top of these.
Okay.
cardboard
All right.
I think you can tell this
All
now.
of this stuff, right?
These are acorns going wrong. Big oak trees. I'm on a constant battle. Watch the dog, please.
Okay. Oh, I'm glad you told me.
So some of this,
Mhm.
I don't really know what it is, but it just needs to be cut back a lot, I think.
Shape it up.
Just shape it up, like just trim it back as far as you want, honestly.
Okay.
Mostly I'm annoyed. I have a dog down on a fence and dogs not on my tether, and then they wrap themselves around here chewing on acorns. Drives me crazy.
Really? Yeah.
So yeah, any of that can.
Okay.
I don't mind it overall. I don't want it to come out, but like, yeah.
All right.
Trim it back.
And as far as this right here, we want to just kind of get rid of all of
Yeah,
this stuff.
that'd be awesome.
Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. Yeah, honestly, it won't be too bad. I'm gonna have to use the chainsaw for a couple areas over here and then a couple areas over here. But for the most part, once we get those big guys out the way, we'll be right there, and then it'll be pretty smooth from there. It'll be just cutting back. As far as the brush, did you want me to take it with me or what?
I have the bit and I have the new sticker I need to put on there. So.
Okay, they'll come get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm not in any particular rush, so obviously.
Okay. I'm thinking because this right here is just gonna be okay. It's just really that side over there.
The big stuff.
Yeah, yeah. I'm thinking 350.
Okay.
If that's okay. Yeah, and I honestly should be able to do it in a day. Should be able to do it in a day.
I like you want me here initially.
Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
I'm a nanny, but kids probably like to come watch.
Yeah, oh yeah. Here's some chainsaws going and a whole bunch of ruckus.
I had a friend who had lost a part of a tree in the storm, and we went last week to watch them like with the crane and all that stuff.
Nice.
They were like,
so intrigued. Kids are amazing. Okay. Yeah, I could text you, and I can let you know. I gotta actually work on the schedule today, and I could figure out a day for it. But yeah, I could do it for 350. All right. Cool. I have some business cards. Yeah, that's what's up. She really been looking out for me on her next cut. I have
take
to
your little
give her
veils.